My name is Jessie Tebbutt and I am currently the NIHR Doctoral Fellow in Special Care Dentistry here at the University of Sheffield School of Clinical Dentistry. The Academy has helped me grow by providing me with time, with structure, with funding and the opportunity to undertake research training and learn key skills which are relevant to my project now and hopefully to projects in the future. One of the most valuable benefits to me has been attending the annual Academy Member conferences, and this has given me a really good insight into the breadth of NIHR research and an awareness of the different work that goes on and actually how my work can fit into that. And it's also exposed me to new ideas, new perspectives, new ways of doing things that I've been able to apply in my current NIHR funded work and hopefully will be able to apply to future research projects. And it's also given me access to a really broad network of individuals that I've been able to have conversations with, that I've been able to go to for support, for mentorship and to build collaborations with and hopefully future partnerships. It's also positively impacted my career by placing me within a nationally recognised clinical academic pathway which makes my work more visible and my career more visible, which hopefully in the future will go on to encourage other clinicians. So what I would say to somebody who's considering applying for an NIHR doctoral fellowship is to do it. I don't think you'll regret it. It's an amazing opportunity. You get to fully immerse yourself in research, you get to meet new people, you get new opportunities, and it really opens your eyes and broadens your perspectives on what's going on and actually gives you the support to do things that make a real difference to your patients, for colleagues, but also for yourself as well.